Hello, this is my oral presentation on the virtue of English. I will follow these steps. Number 1, introduce myself. Number 2, tell about my travel experience in Panama. Number 3, tell about the weather in Panama. Number 4, give recommendations if you go to Panama. I am Claudia Espejo. I am business administration student. I live in Bogota with my husband, my 3 children, and my own parents. I live tour and go to shore as a family. We ourselves going to the movies. We also like to go for a walk. I present a summary of our last vacation Panama with infographic. My last trip to Panama and my last vacation, I went for 5 days to Panama with my husband, my children, my mother, my sister, and my niece. We stayed in Hotel called Playa Blanca, and it is comparing away from the city, so it was a quick and relaxed holiday. I love going to the beach because a cold, sunbathe, and relax with, and there is your drink, and because there were many activities to do like diving, traveling by boat, reading watercraft, among other things. It was an economical trip considering the amount of things we could do. The weather in Panama is very sunny, but it is may some wind because there is sea and there are many palm trees. Sometimes it gets cold, it stays warm. It is recommended to be sunscreen. It is necessary that people wear summer clothes, shoes and dress, short shirts. And it is important to bring a bathing suit, towels, shampoo, and conditioner to take care of the eye of the seawater. It is recommended to wear sunglasses. It is recommended that resort could be to sell marine animals. It is a good idea that people play volley on the beach. It is a very relaxed activity. It is recommended that people that money in cash to enjoy shopping. It is necessary that everyone has their passport. People should stroll along the beach, take advantage of the delicious snacks. They should also take many photos to remember this trip. People should stay at the hotel because the water is incredible and the beach are much better to rest than the room. Thank you very much.